Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly edit the header for your Shopify store from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify account as an administrator. And once you guys are here on the dashboard, the idea is we want to get access to the site builder. And I'm talking about the site builder that's natively supported by Shopify, or that comes with the platform, not a third-party application. And to get there, you guys would want to click on Online Store, found between Sales Channel and Point of Sale. So it's this option right here. So we're going to click on this, and you'll see that there's a drop-down with 5 different options to choose from. So there's themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. Now, obviously, if you want to edit the heading or the header for your Shopify store, you want to select the theme because this will actually take you to the very first page that people see, or the splash page or home page of your online store. So to show you guys what I mean, let's actually visit the online store on a different tab. So here's what it looks like, and you can see that I currently have no header for it. But if I were to edit this and click on customize, like so, it should take you to the site builder. Now from here, we could add a new heading by clicking on add new section. And from here, you want to click on either image banner or text, or image banner or image with text. Either way is really fine, as these formats are made for headers. So show you guys what I mean. If I were to add a new element to my Shopify page, I could do stuff like import logos to it by uploading an image or selecting a picture from your asset library and so on. Or you could simply select on the header. So in this case, it's this one right here. It's the heading. So the idea here is under this container, under template, you guys would want to click on this. And then you want to navigate to the right side of the screen till you see the option to edit it. So you can make it smaller, medium, or large. And that's how you guys can edit it. And that's honestly that. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. If you guys found it helpful, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so be sure to subscribe. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.